Hello guys, we make menu bar so easily. So let's start with HTML master. At first we open a code editor for write code. And then create a file. This file name is index.html. And create a more file. This file name is style.css. And press Ctrl plus exclamation mark. And link to CSS file. Add a title. Write some code in CSS file. Write some code for make menu bar. And open this file with live server. You can see there is no style in the menu. Copy this class name. Let's style menu bar with style.css file. You can see there is a border. Then change the color. Add some font size. Then some margin in left. Position relative. Add a border for the menu bar. You can see border in menu bar. Add some padding. Some add top. Then delete the navbar border. Add some border radius. You can see the menu bar is beautiful. Add transition 0.2 seconds linear. Add hover effect in menu bar. Change the left in hover effect. Add background color in menu bar. Change the color in black to white. Wow! We make a beautiful menu bar with hover effect. Subscribe for more video.